Good morning, everyone. So today is November 7, 2023. And it's my birthday, guys. Pupunta kami sa Chelsea Beach ng morning para mag-pictorial. Charis. So yeah, guys. Punta kami sa Chelsea Beach. Pero konti lang kami ngayon kasi may mga work sila dito. It's 6:06 a.m. Yeah. So guys, the Chelsea Beach is 1 hour away kung nasan man kami. Charis. Pero 1 hour away siya dito sa bahay nila tita. This is my own chair. My own chair. With my Coles bag. Dito nakalagay lahat ng mga damit ko, guys. And other stuff na mag-i-inerte, ganun. Hi, guys. Nag-drive to lang kami ng Macas.
But I'm feeling 22. Everything will be alright. You keep me next to you. You know about me, but I bet you want to. Everything will be alright. You keep feeling still like we're 22.
Then turn left into Campster.
Dito na kami, guys. Ay, dito na kami, guys. Dito na kami, guys. Nag-set up na kami, no? Tita. Si Jem. Hi, guys. Nandito na kami sa mismong beach. Daw tayo na sila Ate Apple and Yael. Para pala siyang Baguio, guys. Ay, Baguio. Para pala siyang Bora. Happy birthday to me. Let's try to go deep. Chares. Dito lang tayo. Fairness, di masyadong malamig yung water nila. Hindi masyadong malamig yung water kaya ako mag-soak. Punta na tayo sa mababaw. Mamaya biglang tumaas yung tubig. Hi, guys! Nandito na kami sa kami sa tubig. Hi, guys! Hi, everyone! Pauwi na kami. Saglit lang kami sa Hindi naman. Half day kami sa kasi magluluto pa sila dito sa bahay. Pauwi na kami!
At the traffic lights, use the left lane to merge onto N11 towards Moorabbin.
Kaya nakatakip ko yung guys. Guys, nakauwi na kami. Tapos waalis ulit kami. Ito kaming Craggy Berm. Para ika-car wash namin yung car kasi puro sand. Di ba ito? Namumula na ako. Natural, na yan, redness. Okay guys, ayan, magka-car wash na sila. Ako wala. Pakit lang ako dito. galing naman. Paano ko ba, Ivana?
Oh, paano? Nagawa na ako ng ano.
Oo, talagang ginagalingan, ha? Blower na sila Ate Apple. Kaya lang ako sumama dito para videoan sila. Para makita lang talaga. Walang ambag. Ayan guys, tapos na namin linisin ang car ni Ate PJ. Yeah! Ito kasing ginamit namin sa Chelsea Beach kanina, kaya linisan namin siya. Ayan yung tatlo kong car wash girl. Diba? Ayan silang tatlo.
Hi guys! So, nag-prepare na kami. Handa. So, we have chop suey by Tita Arlene. Favorite girl, guys. Spaghetti. Also my favorite. And none other than Nana Chicken. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sabi na, Barbie! Hello, everyone! So, wala. Cover kami ni Ate Shana na. I'm yours. Well, you turned on me, you bet I felt it. I tried to get you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. And I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my best to this. And nothing's gonna stop me to combine into friendship. No reckoning to get my turn. To win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It can no way. I'm yours. 1, 2, 3, go. Don't be that way. Fall apart twice a day. I just wish you could feel what you say. Should never tell, but I know you too well. Kind of more that you wish you could sell. I don't wanna be you anymore. Hi everyone! So, tapos na ang kainan sa aking kaarawan. And ipapakita ko na sa inyo what I got this year na birthday ko. Yep. So, let's start with na ilang beses ko na nagamit to, guys. This is a karaoke speaker. Yep. Pwede mo siya, yeah.
Power on. Yeah. Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected successfully.
Okay guys, this is the first thing na bigay sa akin, which is from Ate PJ. Thank you so much. Ito yung portable karaoke speaker with microphone. Yes. So, ayan, kahit saan kami magpunta, pwede kami mag-karaoke. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Next is this new tripod vlog starter kit. So, it's, tawag dito, it's a tripod na nag-hold ng cellphone with lights. Kasi nga, last time, nung nagpunta kami sa Lake Entrance, nasira yung, yung ginagamit ko ngayon, na bagong bili ko sa, TikTok. Love ko siya buksan, guys. First up ko na ito ma-open. Kasi una kong binuksan is yung karaoke. Ooh. This is silk black. Ooh. Ayan siya, guys. May light dito. I think kailangan pa i-charge. Parang may battery siya. So, lalagyan pa siya ng battery. Then, ito yung handle. Tapos, ayan. Pwede ko na siya gamitin anytime. Ilang natin itong See? Yan. With lights there. Pag gusto mo ng lights. Yan. But for the meantime, since stable pa naman tong tripod na to, which is yung ilaw lang naman yung hindi gumagana, ito pa din yung gagamitin ko. Kasi wala rin akong battery for this. So, yeah. And next is, ito din. Kasama din to sa gift. Naririnig nyo ba yun, guys? So, itong, this is from Hallmark Interactive. Once na in-open mo siya, makakarinig ka ng monkey. Rental naman na $100. Yes. Thank you so much. And next is Tadang! My Ari girl is laying. This is the Cloud, Ariana Grande Cloud perfume. Yeah, I really wanted to have this a very long time now. So thank you, Ate May. I also got this bag from Colette. Is brand siya dito sa Australia ng mga bags. This is from Ate Jem. Thank you so much, Ate Jem. Super ganda. Very slick and very formal yung dating niya, guys. Diba? Very madam. Asan na yung utang mo? Ganun ang eksena natin, guys. Ito, ayan. May dalawa siyang storage. Pero, tas spacious. Hindi ko pa tinatanggal yung papel kasi ayoko siya ma-deform, guys. Kasi ang ganda ng pagka-structure niya. Very, ganyan talaga siya as is. Kaya ayoko tanggalin yung papel sa loob. And last but not the least, alam mo, lahat ng mga pinsan ko, kalalang talaga nila ako. You know? Kaya itong binigay nila sa akin. This is not sponsored, guys. Feeling. Pero sana, huy! Ito. Tcharan! Ito, literal, guys. Ang dami nilang binili sa akin ito. Itong cans is 24 pieces. Tapos, niregaluhan din ako ni Ate May along netong perfume na may 2 liters Coke. Bongga, guys. Ang dami kong Coke. Talagang hindi na ako mauubusan. Pero ngayon kasi, since ginamit namin siya sa party, we drink to charas. Hindi ako madalas uminom na alcohol, pero mas madalas ako uminom ng Coke. So sorry. But that's me. Pero ito nga. This is from Ate Apple. Ito yung gift niya sa akin. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ito, guys, yung 24 pieces. Kaso naubos na yung nasa taas. Since nag-beach kami kanina, ubos na yung nasa taas since nag-beach kami kanina, diba? Then ginamit ko na din yung 2 liters kanina kasi nga kumain din kami sa baba. And that is it, guys. That is all for my birthday haul. I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful. And thankful sa lahat ng blessings na nangyayari sa buhay ko and to my family. Thank you so much to the Lord. And I guess dito ko na din i-end yung vlog ko for today's video. Nagising ako around 4:30. Nag-ready ako, nag-makeup, skincare, ano. Tapos, nagluto ako ng baon namin bento box for the beach. Alam mo, para doon ko mag-breakfast by the beach. Ganun. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Tapos, yun. Afternoon, from nagstay kami sa Chelsea, like, until 11 a.m. Then, bumalik na kami dito sa house. Then, ayun, nakita niyo yung next is nagpa-car wash sila Ate Apple. Then, nag-prepare na kami ulit to cook here for dinner. Yeah! Woo! Super, super saya. And super, super grateful. Thank you mga kanene. Thank you sa family ko, sa lahat. Super bongacious, lahat-lahat. And super grateful and appreciated. Everyone who greeted me, thank you so much. Thank you to all of my friends, to all of the people out. Charis. Ayun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on my next one. Bye-bye. Or guys, hindi ko alam kung second or first time ko nakapag-outro sa video. Nag-improve na tayo. Uy! Bye-bye!